Andal Tiruvadigalé Saranam, 21st day of our Dhanurmasa Utsavam. Today also we are in front of Neela Devi Sri Krishna Bhavanam. But Neela Devi joined our Goshti. After praying Neela Devi, she accepted and she joined our Goshti. Now we are with Neela Devi, Goda Devi and 10 Alvars. Periyalvar, Kulasekhara Alvar, Nammalvar, Tirumalisai Alvar, Peyalvar, Pudattalvar, Poigai Alvar, Tondaradippudi Alvar, Tiruppani Alvar, Tirumangai Alvar. Slowly our Goshti is getting strengthened. Now, along with all the Alvars, Goda Devi and Neela Devi, we are praising Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that Bhagavan, being the supreme of this entire universe, you came down and you born as a son to Nandagopa. Nandagopa is having so many cows, and every cow is very compassionate and without any second thought keep on giving milk to all those who are seeking. So such kind of cows are abundant. So many cows Nanda has. To that great Nanda, you are now as a son to Nanda, you are enjoying and you are letting all the people enjoy your association. O Paramatma, you are the one who is known by Vedas. Even Vedas also at some point we cannot praise Paramatma's glory anymore because they are also, Vedas also feeling that they do not know how deep that we can go. To that extent, your supremacy, your effulgence, your glow is unlimited. Such Paramatma, you came down in this beautiful, very accessible form. Hey Bhagavan, as and how all the enemies, those who looks at you, those who understands your valor, they just feel that they cannot go against you to you anymore, and they come and seek refuge at your feet. Just like that, we are also defeated. By what? By your great attributes, by your Kalyana Gunas. Bhagavan, we are completely captivated by your Divyamangala Vigraham, your grace, your Kalyana Gunas, your compassion. We are completely defeated by all those and now we are at your feet. We seek refuge at your feet. Bhagavan, please open your eyes, wake up and bless all of us with your divine association and let all of us enjoy your companionship. That is how today we are with Goda Devi, Neela Devi and Alvars praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. With this bhavana running in our thoughts, let us sing today's song. Let us present today's song to Goda Devi. Andal Tiruvadigalé Saranam, Etta Kalangal Edir Pongi Midalippa Matade Pal Soriyum Vallal Perum Pasukal ஆத்த படைத்தான் மகனே அறிவுராய் ஊத்தமுடையாய் பெரியாய் உலகினில் தோத்தமாய் நின்ற சுடரே துகிலெழாய் மாத்தாறு உனக்கு வழி தொலைந்து உன் வாசற்கண் ஆத்தாது வந்து உன்னடி பணியுமா போலே போத்தியாம் வந்தோம் புகழ்ந்து ஏலோரெம்பாவாய். ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஜெய் ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயண.